If you want to see all the people or accounts you have muted on Instagram, then simply launch the app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. Then tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, you should see muted accounts. So you can see that right here, and you can actually see I have 4 muted accounts. If I tap on that, it's going to give me a list of all the accounts I have muted. Now it will also show how I have muted. For instance, this one is posts and stories. This one is posts, stories, and notes. Okay. So to unmute, all I have to do is tap on the unmute button, and then I can turn off the mute buttons, and that's how I can unmute that particular user. But that's basically how to see all the muted accounts on your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.